Hello, friends and colleagues. We established the Alumni Council Scholarship in 2023 with the goals of alleviating economic strain on NYSID students and ensuring that talented designers could finish their degrees. Many of us have had the experience of working our way through design school, worrying about how to make ends meet, and it's deeply meaningful to lighten this load for someone else. I have some great news. In addition to the many alumni donors, this year, for the first time ever, the Alumni Scholarship has a corporate sponsor. Thank you to Daniel House Club for being the sponsor of the 2025 Alumni Scholarship Award. Daniel House Club is a game-changing membership-based marketplace created to simplify the business of interior design. Peter Spalding, Chief Creative Officer of the Daniel House Club, is here with me to present the scholarship this evening. Together, we exceeded our expectations and raised nearly $25,000 for the Alumni Scholarship Fund. Let's have a round of applause for that. Thank you. Please allow me to introduce you to the 2025 winner of the Alumni Scholarship. Swagatika Rath is an MFA1 student in her second year who comes to us after a career in luxury furniture manufacturing. Swagatika is not only a top student and the NYSID graduate student assistant for marketing, communications, and engagement, she's also a leader. She serves as secretary on the board of NYSID's chapter of the Asian American Pacific Islander Design Alliance, as the social media chair for NYSID's chapter of the American Society of Interior Designers, and as a mentor in NYSID's peer mentoring program. She is the ASID New York Metro student representative-elect for the coming year. Swagatika, will you please come to this podium? We joked about taking our heels off and running up. Peter, will you do us the honor of bestowing the scholarship?
Swagatika, Daniel House Club, and the NYSID Alumni Council are thrilled to present you with the 2025 Alumni Scholarship. We hope this gift helps you become the designer we know you were meant to be.
Thank you, Marie, Peter, the Alumni Council, and everyone who supports NYSID. I'm truly honored and deeply grateful to be standing here tonight. Moving to New York to study at NYSID was a leap of faith. I had already built a career in furniture manufacturing, working between New Delhi and Hong Kong. But over time, I realized that my true passion wasn't just in supporting the design process, it was in being a designer myself. I wanted to be the one shaping the spaces, not just executing the details. NYSID stood out to me not only because of its reputation as one of the top interior design programs in the world, but also because it offered a pathway for career changers like me. No design prerequisites, just a place to start fresh. Still, it was daunting. I was in my 30s, stepping away from stability, moving across the world, and diving into an entirely new discipline. And I had moments of doubt. But from the moment I walked into the studio, I knew I made the right choice. The best part of NYSID has been the people, my peers and professors. My classmates have been the biggest source of support, especially at 2 a.m. when we're questioning our design choices. I'm especially grateful to Kayla Lowry, now at Alexa Hampton, she's there at the back, whom I forced her to be my mentor my first year, and she's still a great friend of mine. I don't know how. The faculty here do more than they teach. They empower us. They give us technical skills and real-world insight to thrive in the industry. And this is the collaborative spirit of NYSID that makes it so special. And it's why I'm eager to give back as well, whether it's through mentoring fellow students or taking on the role of student liaison at ASID New York Metro. That being said, none of this would have been possible without the generosity of NYSID scholarship donors. Living and studying in New York is expensive, and as an international student, my options for paid work are limited. So, like many students, I have been worried about the financial burden of pursuing my dream. But this scholarship isn't just a financial relief, it feels like a vote of confidence. It affirms to me that I'm on the right path, and that means everything to me. And that being said, I want to take a moment to thank the few people that have been there, that have encouraged me throughout this process. The Marketing and Communications and Engagement Department at NYSID, which includes Bay Brown, Olivia Baldacci, Boyd Delancey, and Karen Polisky. Thank you so much for everything you've done. And most importantly, to my family. It's their support and their unwavering faith in me going from career to career, and it's the reason why I'm here today doing exactly what I love to do. So thank you so much, everyone, and I hope you have a good evening.